old flex right here. So this is the one that we had to remove, and right here is where it was broken. They had to cut it off because it was old, so they had to cut it off to get it off. But this is where I was leaking a lot of exhaust through. It was broken, and I got brand new flex put on there, and I got the brand new clamps, and I'll let you guys see what that looks like on there. All right, let's check it out, fellas. So here it is. We got the new flex in right now. New clamps, all new clamps right here. Let's zoom this out. New clamps, got new flex, so now there's no more exhaust leak. I was losing massive power through there, so now we got the new flex. And guys, I'm gonna inform to you guys that there was nothing wrong with my turbo. That oil that was in there came from the intercooler, because let me walk around to the other side, show you what the mechanic was putting me on to game. When we removed the line to change the turbo, we noticed that it was bone dry, and I already had driven like 700 miles. So we had did all the injectors new. So he was explaining to me that we got injectors. There's always stuff. There was fluids in my system, and it comes in through here. It was going into intercooler. So when that came loose over there, it was just shooting all the fluids out. So good news is I did not need to have to get a turbo. Thank God. So I'm real grateful for that. We didn't have to get the turbo. So since I was already here, I went ahead and dropped the old oil, got some new oil in there, and got some new fuel oil filters. And then we went ahead and changed the flex, the clamps, and we were ready to ride. So yeah, fellas. So, you know, I thought the turbo was bad. When my mechanic saw the video, he thought the turbo was bad because of the oil. But then like I said, when we took it apart, we realized that everything was bone dry. He checked it. He even took the tube off all the way down to a turbo, and it was bone dry. The turbo looks real good. He actually says the turbo is not that old. Those fluids came from the intercooler, I guess, when they did the fuel injectors. Remember, injector number 6 was letting, I was getting coolant in with the diesel, and that's what was in the intercooler. So it got sucked out into the intercooler. When that pipe came loose from the top, it just shot everything out through there. Since, you know, so in a way, that was a good thing that it came loose, because it shot all that shit out. So now everything is dry, the system is ready to go, and thank God I didn't have to change the turbo. Like I said, they inspected my turbo. The turbo actually looks like it's not even that old. So very grateful for them. They got me in the shop late in the afternoon, and we're gonna be hitting the road on Tuesday. I'm gonna go home now and relax. I got the danger suit on. You already know when this danger suit on, shit is happening. And that's what it is, fellas. So catch you guys next week when we hit the road. Pedro! Hey. Say something in English, come on. Say, I'm a mechanic.